Hello students of class 8, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for life science. The chapter what I will continue today is the health and hygiene, and this video is part 10. In the previous video we learned about some natural defenses of the body and about the immunity. Today we will learn about the vaccine. Okay. So it's a new term. What is a vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation made from weakened or killed form of the disease causing microorganisms that improves immunity to a particular disease. Okay. So it is a weakened or killed vaccine, killed microorganisms which are actually disease causing. They are actually inserted in our body in this ineffective positions, like in this position where they can't affect our body. Okay, and vaccination is the procedure. In this administration of the weakened or killed pathogen to stimulate the immune system to develop resistance against the pathogens. Okay, so it is the procedure by which the vaccinations we get the vaccines in our body, the administration proceeds. Okay, so the thing is that a vaccine can be injected or can be taken by orally. Okay, so inside the body the vaccine triggers the immune system to produce antibodies against the specific disease causing microbes present on it. The antibodies attack and destroy the weakened microbes and remain in the blood and fight off a possible attack by the pathogen in the future. When we take these vaccines, then the microbes are in the weakened positions, but our body know about that it is a vaccine, it is the protective system against it, that they can produce the antibodies against it. Okay, so after that, whenever the disease causing active organisms entered in our body, they fight against that, and in this way the disease we can't be attacked by this disease. Okay, so it is the mainly phenomena. The vaccines are given to the children between 6 weeks to 10 years against common infections such as diphtheria, pertussis, and many of more. The vaccination schedule on important vaccines I am going to teach you today, like the name of vaccine, the age, and why it is given. Okay. So first, infants. Who are the infants? Like below 1 year. Okay. What are the vaccines they are given? Like BCG, Bacillus of Calmette-Guerin. Okay. Next is oral poliovirus. Oral polio vaccine. Okay. The next is DTP. The full form is diphtheria, pertussis, and tetany. DPT. Diphtheria, pertussis, and tetany. Why they are given? Like this part, the BCG usually protects against the tuberculosis, and the polio against the polio. All are against. Okay, and the third one is against the diphtheria, against the pertussis, and tetanus. Okay, so pertussis is the whooping cough. Okay, and now next is above 1. What are the vaccines? These are below 1 and next are the above 1. What are the vaccines? Measles vaccine, chickenpox, MMR. MMR means measles, mumps, and rubella, a combined virus. The combined virus against the vaccination doses. So why they are given? It is against the measles. It is against the chicken pox, against the measles. It is against the chicken pox. Next, MMR is given. It is a combined virus against the measles, mumps, and rubella. Okay, and the tetanus virus is also sometimes given, which is the name is TT. It is also given. It is against the for the tetanus. Okay, protection against the tetanus. So these are the vaccinations which are usually for the children. Till our age 18, we used to have some of the vaccines, but it is for the children only. Okay, so one more thing, the new term that is called booster doses. Okay, so I am erasing in the upper part and I am writing booster doses. What are they? Like some of these vaccines, some of the vaccines have to be repeated after a few years, since they do not provide lifelong immunity to ourselves, are called booster doses. So if we take it for one time, they can't give us the immunity for our whole life. That is why we have to take it after a certain period of the time. It is also regulated. It is also a fixed time. So these are called the booster doses. Okay. So a vaccination against a particular disease such as measles and typhoid will protect against the particular disease only. It is the main thing, that if we think that we are only taking this MMR, so it only can give the protection against measles and the mumps and the rubella. They can't give us the protection against polio. So we have to take all vaccines too. We have to complete our vaccination schedule properly. In this way, we can actually be protected from those dangerous diseases. Okay, so in the next class, we will continue with the immunization. Till then, thank you.